Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device off and removing the SIM and SD cards so nothing powers the panel. Next, warm the edge glass with a heat gun or hair dryer for 30-60 seconds to soften adhesive. Make sure to keep the heat moving. Once the adhesive softens, place a suction cup near the warmed edge and lift slightly while sliding a plastic pick into the gap. You should feel the seam begin to open. Continue gently, rather than forcing to avoid cracking internal components. Once you have a working gap, keep reapplying heat as you run a pick around the perimeter, moving incrementally so the adhesive stays pliable. As you open the panel slightly, remove any visible screws and brackets that secure the display. Make sure to keep screws sorted by location. After loosening screws, lift the glass just enough to access the internal connectors, then disconnect the battery first to avoid shorts. Finally, disconnect the display cable so you can fully separate the broken glass from the frame safely. With the old glass removed, thoroughly clean the frame and remove adhesive residue using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth so the new adhesive bonds well. Once clean, reconnect the display and battery temporarily to test the new glass for touch and image issues. You want to confirm function before sealing. After testing, disconnect again, apply new adhesive strips evenly, align the glass precisely, then press around the frame firmly for about 60 seconds and allow the adhesive to cure for 1 to 2 hours. If touch is unresponsive, check connector seating and re-clean contacts as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.